Hello everyone. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get free Netflix secret codes for 2024 with which you can actually absolutely unlock everything, like literally anything. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to learn how to get free Netflix secret codes and how to unlock everything. Well, before moving on to the video, it's me Suri Prakash from Protech Genius, which is obviously going to be a favorite tech channel. So let us not waste any more time and let us straightly dive into the video. As you can see, this is a Netflix account which I own. We want to learn how to make or get a Netflix account in the year 2024 for absolutely free of cost, or getting Netflix with a discounted amount. And please make sure to go take a look at the videos which are actually in the description and the pinned comment. So please go make sure to take a look at the comment section before quitting this video. Now, in this Netflix account, let's say that you have to watch few action thriller movies. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to search for uh, the action thriller movies using a secret code where we will be able to access literally all the top action thriller movies. So as you can see, all these are action thriller movies. Now let us say you would want to watch something for children and family. Let us take a look at movies which are for ages 0 to 2. We would need to enter this code. Now as you can see, these are the movies actually given for 0 to 2. Now let us try for classic comedies. Classic comedies code is going to be 31694. Well, as you can see, all of these are classic comedies along with few movies. So guys, the thing is that these are secret codes which are actually for people who spend more time searching what to watch rather than actually watching it. So for example, 2653 indicates anime action movies. So I don't know why Venom, Restless, The Kingdom are all classified as anime actions, but other than that, Demon Slayer, One Punch Man, Naruto, Hunter x Hunter, Baki, Spirit, everything is going to be Lucasm, is going to be anime action movies, which is worth giving a try. But people, if you want a complete collection of all of the secret codes of Netflix, then I would try to leave it in a separate article, and I'll leave the article's link obviously in the description and the first comment. I'll once again go pin it. So make sure to watch. Make sure to take a look at the comment section. So guys, I hope this video is helpful to you. It was helpful to you, then just don't forget to click on the thumbs up button located below this video. And I have something very important to share to you guys. The thing is, the channel is getting a huge membership update in the year 2024. So right now, you will be able to find the join button near the subscribe button. So first of all, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. And after subscribing to my channel, you'll be able to find the join button. I'm not forcing you to join, but please go take a look at the perks being provided if you become a member of a community. There are some exclusive perks like one-on-one direct interaction with me, and member-only exclusive videos and early access to all the new videos. So it's obviously going to help you a lot. So guys, once again, it's me Suri Prakash from Protech Genius signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.